G'day guys, Greg here. Now it's product review time once again. And today I'm going to be trying this product right here. It's the on the menu Keralan style coconut chicken curry. South Indian inspired mild curry with red and yellow capsicum and rice. This one is mild, it's 350 grams and it'll set you back about $7.90 if you're a sucker enough to pay full price. Now a Keralan style chicken curry are chicken pieces that are marinated with black pepper, salt, lemon juice, turmeric and garam masala before cooking with aromatics like onions, ginger and garlic, finished with some coconut milk. So it sounds like a nice creamy delicious Indian style dish, but it does say chicken curry. I am wondering how much chicken and what other ingredients are in it. Well, the ingredients in this: cooked rice is 44%, with a Keralan style sauce 36%. Mustard seeds! It's got tamarind extract and some chili powder. Ooh, it might be spicy. Cooked chicken, it says, is 10%, with red and yellow capsicum making up another 10%. The total meal includes 8% chicken, 2% coconut cream, 1% coconut milk powder, and 0.2% of curry powder. Ah, so it's at 8%, 10% chicken. I forgot that style of chicken existed. Now, if it tastes any good, the energy is 1680 kilojoules, which means you could have about 5 of these meals every day and still have a body like the old Grego. Protein's about 3.6 grams, fat's about 3.3 grams, carbs is up there with 17.6 grams, and sodium, well, it doesn't look like there's enough there to satisfy the old Grego's sodium needs. I'm guessing I'm going to have to add a little bit more. Now, the stuff hanging out the sides is looking pretty tasty. How about we crack it out open, out of the packaging, and see what it looks like. All right. Okay, well you can see the curry paste there, you can see the capsicum and the rice. Looks like it's just plain white rice, but I suppose that's all you need when you've got a nice sauce to mix through with it. Anyway, it's a microwave meal. How do we cook these things? Well, it says microwave meal from frozen. Remove bowl from cardboard sleeve. Microwave bowl on high at 1000 watts for 5 minutes. Remove from microwave. Carefully peel off film and stir the sauce and chicken thoroughly. Place film back over the meal and heat on high for a further 4 minutes or until thoroughly heated. Remove from microwave, allow to stand for 2 minutes and then remove film, stir and serve. Alright, well that sounds pretty easy. I just got to nuke it for 5 minutes first. Even though my microwave is a little bit higher in power, but that's alright. She'll be right, mate. Trust me. You can trust the old Grego on this one, I reckon. Or can you? Alright, well that's the first 5 minutes up. I'll just grab it. Oh, gee, that's nice and quite warm. So we just need to peel this back and stir the sauce and chicken area thoroughly. Right. Well, hopefully that's thoroughly enough. It's not frozen, so it probably doesn't need that much of a stir. But anyway, somehow you've got to get this plastic film back on. They didn't tell you how to do that on the back of the pack. And this just goes back to the nuker, even though it's piping hot and ready to eat, for 4 more minutes. All right, well, that's the final 4 minutes. And boy, is this hot! All right, well, we need to let this cool down a bit. Let's see if I can scald myself by... Ah, yes! Oh, God, why did I do that for? You should always leave it for 2 minutes to rest. But here's the packet on the front there, and, well, I'm guessing if we mix that through, it might look quite similar, actually. But the rice, well, it's solidified a bit, but it's fluffing up nicely. And the curry, well, it's looking pretty good. It's got some nice big chunks of chicken in there. I can see, like, pepper there, and you've got your capsicum, red, and I did see yellow. It's a bit hard to see yellow capsicum in a yellow curry. but it looks good and it's smelling quite delicious. Smelling nice. Now, it's got this white rice here. I'm wondering if it's flavoured with anything. Well, if water was a flavour, then it would be. And this curry, it seems to have diminished a little. I thought the bowl was fuller before, but it seems to be shrinking for some reason. See how good it tastes. Creamy. Yellow curry flavoured. It's got a tiny bit of heat that does creep up on you and is starting to burn the back of my throat. I mean, it tastes alright. Nothing special. There's a bit of coconut flavour in there, so yeah, I mean, it tastes alright. And this piece of chicken, wonder if it's nice and juicy. Oh yes it is. Tender, juicy, delicious. Yummo! Well, let's mix it all together like it is on the front of the packet and see how well it goes down. Let's go. Juicy enough. Moistish. Flavoursome. Didn't have a lot of salt in it, but it doesn't really need to have much more. It seems to be seasoned well enough, but I suppose you probably could add a little bit more salt. I might do that later, but it probably doesn't really need it. You do taste like the capsicum and the pepper that's in there and the bits of spice. It's got a bit of sweetness there in it, and I mean, you can taste the ingredients. It's definitely a nice curry sort of flavour. A slight creaminess there from the coconut. I mean, it's not bad tasting. It's a little bit boring tasting, I'd say. It's not titillating my taste buds, that's for sure. It's just sitting on them going, yeah, am I enjoyable? Well, you're not bad, but I wouldn't invite you over again if I was having another party. You're sort of a little bit boring, a little bit bland tasting, nothing exciting, nothing to make me run out and want to buy another one. For that case, it isn't something that I would get again. It tastes alright though, and for $8 full price, mate, I'd definitely be waiting for it to go on half price special before you pick one up. And out of 10, I'd give it 5.5 out of 10. But it was interesting to find out how good or bad it tasted, and I hope this video helped you in your decision whether or not to try, buy or avoid. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I reheat a frozen dinner. See you then. Ooh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are